Welcome students to today's session. This is the last session of this lesson. We are coming to the last topic, harmful effects of burning fuels on the environment. So we are going to discuss this under 5 different harmful effects, of which first is the health issues. Burning of fuels like wood, coal, petroleum release unburned carbon particles which cause respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer. So it is very um, important that we stay away from these unburned carbon particles, whether it is the smoke from a cigarette or whether it is the smoke from burning of fuels. So all our vehicles are usually um, having a special catalytic converter which prevents the harmful poisonous fumes from being released into the atmosphere. Similarly, the factories and industries too have a method of refining their exhaust fumes and then releasing into the atmosphere. Still, the heavy traffic and the more number of industries lead to releasing harmful gases into the atmosphere, which lead to the above said health issues. Let us move on to what is the next one. It is carbon monoxide poisoning. Incomplete combustion of fuels release carbon monoxide gas, which is highly poisonous. Carbon monoxide has got great affinity to hemoglobin part of our RBC, and it is readily absorbed by the RBC, which being a poisonous gas can also lead to death of a person. So in the picture you get the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. If there is a burning hearth or a burning stove in a closed atmosphere without proper ventilation, it leads to generation of carbon monoxide instead of carbon dioxide. So it leads to headache, nausea, dizziness, breathlessness. Even if still the person is further exposed to carbon monoxide, the person collapses and leads to unconsciousness and even death of the person. So we have to be very careful about this particular gas, carbon monoxide, which is produced by incomplete combustion of fuels. The next issue is global warming. Burning of fuels release high level of carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide has the capacity to trap heat energy of the sun, and this leads to rise in temperature of the atmosphere. This phenomena is called as global warming. Every year the temperature of earth is shooting up, and this can lead to melting of the polar ice caps, leading to rise in sea level and flooding of coastal areas. So this is an issue which is to be thought about and reduce our evolution of carbon dioxide gas into the atmosphere. The phenomena is otherwise called as greenhouse effect. The next issue is acid rain. Burning of coal and petroleum products results in release of oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, which can dissolve in rainwater and form acid rain. This acid rain, that is the rain that is lightly acidic. This acid rain causes stunted growth in crops and makes the soil acidic. It causes skin irritation in animals and damages buildings made up of limestone or marble, which is otherwise called as marble cancer. The next issue is smog. Smog is the uh, haze-like appearance in the atmosphere, which is formed by combination of fog and smoke. This reduces visibility of a particular area, which disrupts traffic in land, water, and air. So this is another issue which is caused due to burning of fuels. Now these are the main ill effects of burning or combustion of fuel. So with that, we end the chapter. Thank you for listening to the session.